Hey, what's up? I'm Neek and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a wig tutorial, basically how to apply to put on your wig. I am doing a Swiss lace wig by Vanessa, and it's a color purple, Bexy Purple Black. Bexy Purple Black by Vanessa Swiss lace wig, and it's a 4x4, which means you can do a side part, you can do a middle part, a left part, a right part. You can wear it straight back, however you like. It's a Brazilian human hair blend, and I think I'm not sure. I'm not going to say how many inches it is, but this is as long as it goes on me. So yeah, that's as long as it goes. I'm not sure the inches. But first I'm going to show you guys what I use when I put on my wigs. Here I have a stocking cap, and unfortunately I only have black, but I'm gonna do it steel brown or medium brown, depending on the color of your skin or your scalp. Basically you want to get it to look as natural as you can. So I'm using black because that's all I have. I also have this scarf wrap here that I'm going to tie around my head so I can get the wig to stay in place. I have my handy dandy blow dryer that I'm going to use to speed up the process for drying. I have my Got To Be travel size. I also got some more, but I got my Got To Be here that I'm going to use. Also from Gotta Be, I have the spray, and also little brushy brush. I have some clips to pull back any hairs that will be flying around, and I have a rat tails comb. So and also foundation. I'll probably use the foundation to put on my cap and to put on the wig so I can make it look more natural. Here is the wig. I said I wore this before, you guys, so this is not my first time wearing this wig.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you,
baby. Hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you, baby.
The remaining parts of the scarf off. All right, so there we have it. We got our cap on. Now we have to apply some more. I'm going to apply some more of this. Dry it real quick, then I'm going to use my I don't know where this travel one went. I'm going to use my Gotta Be gel. Okay.
With a bang bang. Me and you, girl, you and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Obviously the thing you ever make me feel way, girl. Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. But me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
I don't need no lie.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
Aunque me saquen frío,
Make the day just take control.
I don't need no lie.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
Aunque me saquen frío,
We have to get out of control.
baby.
With a bang bang.
Guess what I just noticed, you guys? I did not put any foundation on my cap or my wig. So we just gonna go with this, and yeah. Internal temp allowed to. Okay, so I'm back. My camera turned off and said that the internal temperature is hot. You guys, excuse me how I'm talking if I don't say my words properly. These braces are something else. If you haven't seen my Neek Got Braces video, go ahead and check that out because it's giving me a tough time with eating and talking. So yeah. So I hope my camera's gonna be okay, because that's why I went MIA kind of when I had started. That was one of the reasons. If you want to know why I ended up taking a break, I guess you would say, from YouTube, I can make a video on that if you guys would be interested in it. So let me know down below, and I'll see what I could do for you. But yeah, okay, so here's my flyer. Okay, so like I said, I was not about to straighten it all like super straight. No. All right, hunty. Yes, hunty. Yes. Let's see. Now, guys, also, I'm really not big on having like baby hairs or doing baby hairs. Oh, you see that? I knew that was gonna happen. But that's okay. My chair makes so much noise, but you do see the white stuff. That's gel. So basically, now you do what you want with the hair, however you want to style it. If you want to do baby hairs, I don't know if you like to do baby's hair before when you place the rag on, because I know some people like to put the baby hairs and then place their rag on, so their baby hairs could be like set and laying and they could be slaying. But like I said, me myself, I'm not big on the baby hairs, so really that's not a big deal to me. But we're gonna give it a tug, and it's not going nowhere. Now, will it last through a battle or fight if somebody want to come like get buck with you and try to pull your wig off? I can't tell you about that, because I haven't experienced that. But this is like I'm literally tugging my hair. So yeah. Let's do the other side. Once again, I'm pulling on the hair and it is still staying in place. Now usually I don't do a middle part, so let's see. Let's actually try to do the way I would. Part it the way I would. So let me show you that you can move your part if you like. But you'll have to fix that because you don't want to be walking around like that. Usually I like a side part, and I think I'm going to do it that way. So let's kind of get this hair to go in the right direction now that we know which way, now that I know which way I want it to go.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl.
Okay, so I'm still gonna try to put some of my foundation on, you guys, because I want it to look decent enough for me. And I do kind of see like the cap through the lace, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of, I'm just using this e.l.f. brush that I have here, and I'm just gonna apply it. It and give it a natural looking look.
Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night.
All right. I'll use a little mousse. I'm going to use a little mousse so I can lay down some of this top too. See how I just laid it down? Yes. I'll lay it down with a little mousse. Girl, don't forget the mousse. So, and then I like to put it, just brush the hairs. Just, but yes, there we are. Okay. All right, so there's my look, you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, later.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl.